Hello students, this is Akshata, your educator. I welcome you all on the platform of Global Online. In today's session for CLAT 2027 examination, I have come up with quantitative techniques section in which we'll be discussing the previous year question paper of 2024. This is the session number 3. If you haven't watched the previous sessions, please do watch it. Without a further ado, let's begin with today's session. Automobiles are the most preferred mode of transport because they allow us to cover large distance quickly. We're talking about automobiles, mode of transport, quick connectivity. Okay, resultant vehicles have been developed that run on diesel, petrol, and even on electricity, which is a remarkable innovative development. We're talking about the electric vehicles. During a survey about a percentage-wise distribution of cars in 4 different states, the information regarding the ratio between diesel engine cars, petrol engine car, and electric cars was collected. Total number of cars for which data was collected was 8,000. Of this, state 1 had 15% of total cars, ratio of 3 is to 4 is to 1. This is the ratio of diesel car, petrol car, and electric car in state 1. Similarly, for state 2, 20% and of the total number of cars in the ratio 5 is to 3 is to 2, and for state 3 it was 30%, 4 is to 5 is to 3, and for state 4 it was 35%. The ratio is 7 is to 5 is to 2. Now, based upon the above information, you have to answer the following question. This is what is given. Now, what is given in the entire paragraph to understand is automobiles are talking about the automobiles. Okay, they are talking about the survey which was conducted in 4 different states of diesel engine, petrol cars, as well as the electric cars, and the ratio of same for state 1, 2, 3, and 4 of 8,000 cars data is given to you, which is 15% for state 1, for state 2 which is 20%, state 3 it is 30%, and for state 4 it is 35, and the ratio is given accordingly. Now let us solve the question set based on this particular passage. Before that, I would like to inform you that we have come up with a new course for CLAT 2027 examination, whose new batch will be started from 27th of July 2026. In this daily live lectures are conducted along with recorded sessions of the same will be provided to you. You can watch according to your time and speed. Complete study material notes will be provided to you along with 50 plus mock test and 2000 plus MCQ question bank. This is the most important feature of this entire course, which will help you to boost your score and rank in the upcoming exam. The course fees is 5,000 rupees only. We have curated a course in such a way that everything will be discussed from scratch to the advanced level, which is CLAT relevant. So you can contact us on this given WhatsApp number for course enrollment or download the Global Online application for the same. Let's begin with the question set now. If 45% of electric cars in state 4 are air conditioned and remaining are non-ACs, so what is the number of non-AC car is the question. 45% of electric car in state 4. State 4, we are talking about state 4. Electric car in state 4 is 400. So how exactly I have understood that in state 4 there are 400 cars, electric cars? So for that I'll give you one table first. Understand this table. Okay, so what is mentioned in the data? In data it is mentioned that we have state 1, we have state 1, state 2, state 3, state 4. What was the percentage of state 1? Cars 15%, this was 20%, this was 30%, and this was 35% of the total cars. What is the total cars? Total car are 8,000. So out of these 8,000, what will be the total cars in state 1? Then 15% of 8,000. 15% of 8,000 is 1,200. Similarly, in state 2, what will be the total number of cars? 20% of 8,000, which is 1,600. Similarly, in state 3, 30% are the 30% are the cars are the total number of cars in state 3. 30% of what? 30% of the total cars, that is 8,000, which is equal to 2400. So first you will have to find individual states में कितने there are total number of cars out of the total car 8,000. So 35% of 8,000 is 2,800. These are the total number of cars in state 4. Now moving ahead to understand how many are diesel, how many are petrol, and how many are electric cars. Let us understand that first. Diesel, petrol, and electric cars. The percentage is mentioned. Okay, what is the percentage given for diesel? Sorry, the ratio was given is 3 is to 4 is to 1 for state 1. I'll write here 3 is to 4 is to 1 for state 1. For state 2 it was 5 is to 3 is to 2. For state 3 it was 4 is to 5 is to 3. And for state 4 the ratio was 7 is to 5 is to 2. So how is the ratio? The ratio is of, understand, the ratio here is of diesel is to petrol is to electric. So if I want to find, if I know one thing over here, what I know that there are total 1200 cars in state 1. So if I want to find exactly how much are diesel, how much are petrol, and how much are electric out of the total cars, what will I do? What I'll do is total cars are 1200. What is the total ratio over here? 3 parts, 4 parts, and 1 part. Add all this, 3 plus 4 plus 1. This will give me total 8. So 8 parts ki value is 1200. So out of this, if I want to find diesel's part, so what is diesel's part? 3. 3 is to 4 is to 1 is the ratio. So if I want to find diesel, what I'll find? 3 parts ki value kitni aayegi? So what will be the 3 parts value over here? The value of 3 parts will be nothing but 1200, okay, divided by 8 parts. Okay, I'll get the value of 1 part over here, which is equal to 450. Similarly for petrol, I'll find the value for 4p. 1200 is equal to 8p, तो 4p की वैल्यू कितनी आएगी यहाँ पे? 600. Similarly for electric car, it is 150. This is how you have to find the entire data first, and then you can solve the question. This is something I have already find out. If you have any kind of doubt, you can put down in the comment section. I'll help you to solve the question properly. It's 450, 600, and 150. This is 800, 480, and 320. You know the entire value. You know what are the total number of cars in one specific state. Then you can find out the ratio value very easily. You can find out how much are electric, how much are diesel, and how much are petrol cars. So now I understood this entire data. I got the entire data. Now solving question is just a piece of cake. Okay, let's solve this question now. Okay, so I'll just add the data over here. और छोटा करके यहाँ पे, ठीक है. Now I know the values of what are the diesel, petrol, and electric cars. So here what is mentioned? Here it is mentioned that 45% of the electric cars in state 4 are ACs. So 45% of electric cars कितने हैं in state 4 we are talking about. In state 4 these are 400. So electric cars in state 4, this is equal to 400. तो ACs कितने हैं? 45% of these electric cars, that is 45% of 400. This is equal to 180. So non ACs कितने आएंगे फिर? Total cars are 400, out of which ACs are 180. So left is 220. So 220 is the correct answer for this given question. Option number C is correct. Next question is petrol cars in state 2 are what percent more than the diesel car in state 1? Diesel car in state 1 are 450. Diesel car in state 1 is 450 and petrol car in state 2. See, petrol car in state 2 is 480. So add this. Okay. So what we have to find is we have to find how much is the percentage more. To find percentage more, what we do here is we will take the difference of both. 480 petrol cars minus of 450 divided by 450. Always remember, whenever we are finding percentage more, what we do is we take the difference divided by the smaller value in both. What is the smaller value in both of these value? 450 is the smaller one into 100. And if I want to find out percentage less, what I'll do? Difference divided by the larger value into 100. But here they have asked us percentage more value. Hence, the correct answer will be 30 divided by 450 into 100, which is equal to 6.67%. Option number D is the correct answer. Next question. Just 1 second. I'll just simply take this table downside. Okay. Yes. So what is the ratio of diesel cars in state 4 to the electric cars in state 3? Diesel cars in state 4 upon electric cars in state 3. इसका हमें ratio we have to find. So what I'll do is, we know the total number of diesel cars in state 4. Diesel car in state 4 is 1400, correct? And electric cars in state 3 is how much? 600. So if I take the ratio of this, 2 sevens are, 2 threes are. Option number A is the correct answer. Very simple. You just have to find the data first. बाकी का बहुत easy है. Compute the percentage of total electric cars to the total cars in all the state. We know the total number of cars in all the state is how much? 8,000. These are the total number of cars, correct? These are the total cars. Okay, total cars. And what they are asking, total electric cars. Total electric cars are how much? Take addition of all this, that is 150 in state 1, 320 in state 2, 600 in state 3 and 400 in state 4. If I take addition of all this is equal to 1470. We have to find the percentage. Percentage will be how much then? 1470, that is the total number of electric cars, divided by total cars 8,000 into 100. After solving this, I'll get the value somewhere approximately 18.37%. So option number B is the correct answer for this given question. What is the difference between number of petrol car in state 3, petrol car, and diesel car in state 1? Petrol car in state 3, if I see, it is equal to 1000. And diesel car in state 1 is equal to 450. So write these values over here. In state 3 this is 1000, in state 1 this is 450. We have to find the difference of this. Difference means 1000 minus 450 will give me 550. Option number D is the correct answer. Again, very simple. Next question is, what is the average number of diesel car in all the states? This is something you'll have to pin down the answer in the comment section. This is for the homework. आई होप आपको वीडियो पसंद आई हो. अगर वीडियो पसंद आए तो ज़रूर वीडियो को लाइक करें, कमेंट करें, एंड प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल इफ़ यू आर न्यू टू इट. थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग टुडेज सेशन.